Hey Mike, where are we right now?
We're working on some sector plates right now using some flux core welding actually. But you know a lot about welding, don't you?
Yes. Yes. How big's this shop we're standing in right now?
Right now it's about 90,000 square feet shop. It's about 100 foot wide, about 900 foot long.
What's the lifting capacity?
It's a 100-ton lifting capacity here in this factory. With our 2 cranes, we do have 3 cranes here. Each one of them will lift 50 tons though, for sure.
Nice.
We have about 30 foot under the hook. Depending on the application, you can certainly lift a lot of pieces here, rotate them. You do it very, very safely here.
Nice. What processes do we weld with here?
Well, we certainly use a lot of flux core, but we also use stick, TIG, and VIG. Those are all common processes that are used, along with electroslag, which is an uncommon process that we do use from time to time as well for heavier metals.
I heard we were the only company east of the Mississippi to use that.
Once in a while we are. I think that's a true statement. If it's more than 2 or 2.5 inches thick, we definitely do a lot of work related to that, especially with our core products.
Nice. I see a lot of new welding machines. Looks like they have the pulse case capability.
Yeah, we certainly had a contract recently that required a lot of pulse MIG where you don't have any flux. And so the pulse MIG really makes for a clean process, a really nice process for our customers to really like that type of work.
Walking through the shop, I noticed there's stress ovens.
Yeah, we do have 2 stress relief ovens. Both of them are pretty large. There's a 10-foot square by 10 foot deep. He go up to about 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The other one, of course, is quite a bit bigger. It's 16 foot square, 35 feet deep for really large stress relieving applications.